Welcome to our quick guide on how to navigate the Maisey website builder editor. You've already selected your perfect template, so let's dive right into customizing it to suit your unique style and needs. To customize the header, click on the header area. Here, you can replace the logo, adjust navigation links, and modify the design. It's easy to rearrange elements just by dragging and dropping them. To edit text, simply click on any text box to start typing. Customize your font, size, and color using the pop-up toolbar to match your brand. Adding more pages is straightforward. Go to the Pages menu, click Add Page, and name your new page. You can also duplicate existing pages or set specific SEO settings for each page. Widgets add functionality to your site. Click on the Widgets tab to find categories like contact forms, galleries, or social links. Drag and drop any widget onto your page and customize it from the right-hand panel to suit your needs. Under the Themes tab, explore options to change your site's colors and fonts globally. Maisey's design flexibility allows for unique customization that reflects your vision. Don't forget to optimize for mobile. Switch to the mobile view mode to see how your site looks on smaller screens and make adjustments to ensure a seamless user experience across all devices. Before going live, use the Preview button to review your site on different devices. Happy with what you see? Click Publish to share your new website with the world. That's how we create a website with Maisey. Dive deeper into the editor to discover more tools and features as you get comfortable. Thanks for watching, and we hope you'll make the most out of your Maisey experience.